Hi po, this reading is for you today. Ayan, nakalistin po ito na makita mo ngayong araw. Ayan. You have the Nine of Cups. Somebody is very hesitant to approach you, although this person really, really loves you, is devoted to you with the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Swords. Siguro nag-away kayo, walang kibuan. Or I feel this person is also at a distance. Gustong mag-approach sa'yo pero nahihiya po. Ayan, Knight of Cups, you have the Eight of Swords, you have the Page of Cups, the High Priestess. Meron din po, this could be a person, a friend mo, classmate, or a special person na itatanong sa'yo kung ano na ba, kumusta na yung tinatanong niya, or kumusta na ba yung mga decisions mo in sa isang particular na subject topic. Ayan, you have the Knight of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Page of Cups, the High Priestess, you have the Chariot card. Um, wala ka namang wala ka namang confusion sa buhay mo. The High Priestess and the Chariot, kung ano man yung gusto mo sa buhay, like mag-focus muna sa career, then do it. If love is not a priority, then do it also. Um, if if feeling mo sayang kasi may special person ka ngayon and then nagkataon na kailangan mong pumunta ng abroad or tanggapin ng isang project, trabaho, priority mo is yung career. Ayan, you have the High Priestess, the Chariot, the Six of Swords. Six of Swords, you have the Seven of Pentacles, the Tower card. Sa iba sa inyo, there could be this one person that's holding you back. This person has become a hurdle. Ayan. This person, siguro, I don't know if dalawang tao yung pinagpipilian mo. One is blocking your success here with the Six of Swords, this Seven of Pentacles. You have the Tower card, the Seven of Swords, the Four of Pentacles. In life, kailangan din i-check mo kasi importante din po yung financial aspect, hindi lang po puro love. Ayan, so kung right now sa buhay mo, kung love lang pinagbabasihan, hindi po yung financial aspect, baka maghihirap po kayo in the future. Let's say kung magiging married po kayong dalawa. Can you trust this person? Yung sa upper na mga cards, you can trust this person. Pero kung dalawa yung pinagpipiliin mo, yung pangalawang person, I don't think so. Kasi yes, interested sa'yo 'to, pero never nag-commit sa financial aspect. So, in the future baka hindi magbibigay ng pera or sa kanya lang yung pera niya kapag married na kayo. Ayan. So, the Chariot, the High Priestess, the Page of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, Four of Pentacles. Wala pa naman ako nakikita na iba na opportunities na dadating. So, if you're looking for a job, wala pa akong makita dito. So, most probably hindi ka pa makakita ng job. Alright? So, accidents, wala naman po. Health issues, um, hindi lang nakakatulog siguro with the Eight of Swords. Alright? So, ingat po. Yun lang. And maraming salamat. Bye po.